welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shirley, also known as Backttalk, and I usually do anything Disney, but today we are in the Osaka XL Tokyu Hotel. We stayed at the one in Shibuya, so we decided why not stay in the same brand that we already knew and we liked. And yeah, I already walked in, so I'm going to tell you I'm already more impressed from the one from Shibuya. The one from Shibuya was not this impressive. It had a beautiful view, but it was not this impressive. So let's go ahead and get started. We are in room 502 and my brothers are in 503. The hallway is not as cute as the Tokyo Toy Story Disney Hotel, but it's okay. When I walked in, I got so scared because I thought somebody was here, but no, it's a mirror. Hello, it is me, it is moi. Anyway, so you come in and you have a place to put your shoes, which is really nice, just like a little bench. It looks like we have like a clothing freshener. We had this one at the other one as well. This is really nice if you're like us and you packed very little, so you could take souvenirs home. Shoe polish, shoe horn, just a bunch of shoe stuff. And I love the shoe horn. When you walk in, these are set like this, and I'm already wearing some. Let me show you. Bam. Bam. Alright, you get the gist. But you walk in, this is what you walk into. On the left, you have a bathroom. This is what it looks like. It's kind of dark, Let's see if there's... Is this the only light there is? Wow, that is dark. Okay, so it's kind of a dark bathroom. Counter space, fine. It looks like it's a wash, foaming face, and hand soap. That seems to be a thing here in Japan. The mirror is nice. No big decorations, but good enough. We have 2 towels, and then we have a couple of things down here. Oh, yes! We have goodies! I love goodies. Okay, except mom, incense. I think this is for bath. Yeah. We have some like washcloths. We have hairbrush. Nice! We have a cotton set. Also very nice. Toothbrushes. I love that Japan gives you toothbrushes. Razor. B, there's a razor. And it looks like a hairband, which is really nice. Just all the great amenities that we love from the Japan hotels. There is a hairdryer. I will let you know how it is after I use it. Extra towels and a little tiny baby bed. That's cute. Oh, super cute. Okay, here I believe is going to be the toilet. Yep, here's the toilet. Nothing too crazy, just a toilet. But I do like that it is different than the shower, which is over here. And it is a see-through shower. Huh. Ha 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 ha. Interesting. So it is a see-through shower. It is way smaller than our Disney ones, of course. But it is nonetheless very nice. It has a tub, it has a shower, and it has a somewhat Western water thing happening where you can raise that up through there, and then shower, shampoo, conditioner. Haven't used it. I will let you know how it is. But the see-through thing is very interesting. Yeah, all together. This is our closet. You can tell that Brendan's jacket's already there. And then we have extra hangers where I should put my jacket in here. And then we get PJs. Yay, we have PJs! I also did not pack PJs hoping that they would always provide them for me. So far, that is true. I will not leave it like this, I promise. I will wear this. Oh, they gave us this as trash bags. That is, I've never seen that before. So it's like little bags and says this is trash. Please attach sticker to any items that do not fit in the trash can. How many times has that happened to y'all? This happens to us all the time. And I've never seen something like this. There's also laundry and services. Let's see prices because we were considering it. So a shirt is 600 yen. Meh. We just need to find a hotel that has a washer and dryer. It looks like it's safe, and then you have, storage for your bags. Moving in, we have a humidifier. We have carpet. We have Brendan resting his feet. How's the bed? Yeah, it does it. It does the job. Look how pretty this like tapestry wall art is. Very, very pretty. And then in here you have your phone, memo pad. Does this open? No. It looks like we have some outlet, regular outlet, US one works, USB. Oh, okay, so pendant, reading, and foot. Okay, I'm gonna stop. But that's fancy. There's an AC in here. There's a Brendan not included. I forgot to say that in the Toy Story one. Brendan not included in that one either. You have a little more space. Yay, they do have this one. They also had this one at the other one. This deodorizes your clothes, and it's, so that one freshens in it, and then this one like cleans it. So I'm gonna be spraying all my clothes until I get to wash it. We have TV, haven't figured out, a little bit. Another bed. A little armoire. I love this. This I love because in the morning when we're waking up at 4 a.m. it is rough. So I will be sitting there. Then we have the little kitchenette area. I love the amount of mirrors in here. Hello. There is water, the bottle of mineral water with our compliments. And we get one every day, it sounds like. There's an espresso machine. I've never tried an espresso. Maybe I will tomorrow. Look how cute the little machine is. And here we have some cups. Coffee, drip bags, some tea. Very nice. Let's see what else. Ooh, mini fridge. Very nice. It's actually, go ahead and just throw that in there. All right. And then in here we have ice, and then, well, it's not ice, it's ice bucket. And then tea maker, and then you have a couch where I put our stuff. We do have the same lights over here. I don't know what this one is. Oh, okay, hold on. Ooh. Okay. And then we have a room one. Very nice. Tissue boxes. I'm glad that the tissue boxes are on my side because I wake up with a sniffle. Another mirror. Hello. And then we can't really see the view. I guess we don't get a view. Oh. Oh, okay. That was disappointing. Let's try this one.